Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome you all for today's video lecture. This is your third module's second video class. In previous video class, we started the third module. You saw in previous video class that we have discussed about the internet banking. What you mean by internet banking and what we can do with the internet banking that you have seen in previous video class. In today's video class, we shall discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of internet banking. See, if you all are using the internet banking, there are some advantages and there are some disadvantages also, means some limitations of this internet banking that we can discuss in today's video class. Let us start. See here, as you see on your screen, these are the advantages of the internet banking. So we'll discuss one by one what are the advantages of the internet banking. So first one is online account is simple to open and easy to operate. See here, if you want to open a new account in any bank, so it is very easy to open the account. Means online you can open any account and it is very easy to operate also. Then second one is it is quite convenient, means it is very convenient to the user for to use. Easily pay your bills, can transfer funds between accounts, means easily you can pay your bills and easily you can transfer funds. For example, see, you all are paying the electricity bill. If you want to pay the electricity bill, you should go to the that bill payment office, and there if there is crowd, then you should stand in a queue, means you should wait for a long time to pay your bills. So instead of that, you can pay your bills with the help of the internet facility. See, if you all are using the mobile phones, with the help of the mobile phones and with the help of internet, you can pay your bills immediately. So no need to wait for to pay the bills. See here, if you are paying the bills using with the help of this internet banking, so you will get the when bill comes, you will get the notification of that. So suddenly immediately you can pay your bills, no need to wait in a queue. Then another use of this is can transfer fund between accounts. For example, see, if you want to give some money to your friend, if you want to transfer some fund to your friend, so no need to go to the bank branch and wait for a long time there. So you can immediately transfer the funds from one bank account to another bank account with the help of the internet and mobile device or laptop. So it's very easy to operate. Then now you do not have to stand in a queue to pay off your bills. Mean you do not have to stand in a queue for pay your electricity bill. You can pay your electricity bill, water bill, gas bill, anything. If you want to recharge your mobile, so no need to go to the that office and stand in a queue. You can pay immediately with the help of this internet banking facility. Also, you do not have to keep receipts of all the bills, as you can now easily view your transactions. See, if you paid electricity bill, no need to keep the payment receipts. So if you paid electricity bill with the help of this internet banking facility, you can see the all paid transactions at any time with the help of this internet banking facility. So it is the next one is it is available all the time, means 24 by 7 for 7 days, 24 hours. You can use these facilities at any time, and anywhere you can use this facility. You can perform your task from anywhere and at any time, even in night when the bank is closed on holiday. See here, if the banks on holidays banks are closed, if you want to transfer some money immediately at the night, so at the night time, so all banks are closed. So how you can transfer the funds? With the help of this internet banking facility, you can do your banking transactions at night. Means you can transfer the easily, you can transfer the funds with the help of this internet banking facility. So it is available 24 hours a day. The only things you need to have in an active internet connection, means this is one of the advantage, because you need to have a active internet connection. You have the internet connection if you want to do this banking related work online. These are then next advantages is it is fast and efficient. Means it is very fast and it is a very efficient facility. Means your user can easily transfer the funds immediately. Fund get transferred from one account to other very fast. Means very quick you can transfer the fund. Means immediately you can transfer the fund from one account to another account. You can also manage several accounts easily through internet banking. You can see the bank if you want to balance. If you want to see the balance at any time, you can see the balance. If you want to see the bank statements, means transaction statements, that you can see with the help of the internet facility. Through internet banking, you can keep an eye on your transactions and account balance all the time. Means see here, if you want to see the balance on your account, so you can keep the eye on your account easily. Means if someone has withdraw some money from your account, so immediately you get the message. Means someone has used your account, so nobody can use your account because it is very protected. So it is this facility is very safe to transfer the funds. Then you can get to know about any fraud activity or threat to your accounts. It means immediately you can get the message. With the help of this message, you can close your account. So you can the financial loss is not happen with the help of this internet facility. It is very quick facility provide to the user. So these are the advantages of this internet banking. So we'll see the disadvantages of the internet banking. See here, disadvantages of internet banking. Understanding the usage of internet banking might be difficult for a beginners at the first go. When if you are using the first time, it's getting might be it's getting difficult for you, but it's very easy to use through though there are some sites which offer a demo on how to access online accounts, but not all banks offer this facility. So a person who is new might face some difficulty. Means some videos are available how to operate this online account, that you can watch and do your transaction with the help of this internet banking facility. Some banks are providing this facility. Means some banks videos are available on internet. You can see how to do the online transactions. You cannot have access to online banking if you don't have an internet connection. Thus, without the availability of internet access, it may not be useful. If you don't have the internet connection, you cannot use you cannot use this facility. Means you should have the internet, means active internet connection, if you want to do the internet banking transactions. This is one of the disadvantages of the internet banking. Security of transactions is a big issue. Your account information might get hacked by unauthorized people over the internet. This is one of the limitations of the internet banking is it's very risky to get hacked your account. So it's very it's getting a financial loss in this process. So they provide the security, but sometimes if your ATM pin or anything, if it's leaked, then it's getting hacked by some other people, so it's getting a financial loss. This is one of the disadvantages of the internet banking. Sometimes this happen. Then password security. It is a must after receiving your password to change it and memorize it, otherwise your account may be misused by someone who gets to know your password inadvertently. Means see here, if your password is leaked, so someone can use your account and it's getting a financial loss to you. So it must be restricted password security, so you cannot share your password with anyone else. So then you cannot use it in case the bank server is down. Sometimes the bank server is down, that time if you are doing this banking work, it will not happen. This is one of the disadvantages of the internet banking. And poor internet connection, that time also your banking transaction will not happen. This is also one of the disadvantages of this internet banking. Then another issue in that, sometimes it becomes difficult to note whatever your transactions were successful or not. Means sometimes you may not get any message from the bank. So it is one of the limitations of this internet banking. It may be due to the loss of net connectivity in between, or due to slow connection, or the bank server is down. Sometimes the bank server is down, sometimes the with this poor internet connection, your transaction will not happen. This type of limitations comes in this internet banking. These are the disadvantages. Then services provided by internet banking. Means if you all are using the internet banking, what type of services provide the internet banking to the user, that we can discuss in next video class.